Today we will be testing the machine learning Lorentzian classification indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post-trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the machine learning Lorentzian classification indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 97 different strategies, with 28 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. We've also tested a total of 929 indicators, with 385 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 109 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we're testing the machine learning Lorentzian classification indicator. You can see it here on screen. And so the source video claims that this is a new machine learning indicator that is extremely profitable, gives great signal, and so on. I mean, we've heard it many times before, and we've tested quite a few of the different machine learning and the AI style indicators that have become extremely popular here recently. And so this indicator has quite a few things going on with it, as you can see here on screen. I won't go into a lot of detail on the actual indicator and all the bits and pieces of it. If you're interested in all the information about the indicator and what kind of makes it tick and like I said, all the different little bits and pieces and why, then go ahead and click on the link down below in the description and it'll take you to the indicator page. You can read up on the indicator and why it does what it does. And so what we are looking for, and let me go in here and see if I can change. Nope, it looks like we are kind of locked in on our colors and such so far. And so what we are looking for is going to be the line here. It looks similar to a moving average. I believe it is called the kernel line, if I remember right. Yes, the kernel regression line. And so we're looking for price in relation to that kernel line there. What we are looking for is when price is above it, we are looking for buy signals. When price is below it, we are looking for sell signals. And when price is above the kernel line and the kernel line is green and we get a green tag, that is going to be our signal to go long. When price is below the kernel line and the kernel line itself is the kind of red rust colored color there, and we get a red or rust colored tag like this one here, that's going to be the signal to go short. And so that's how we are going to test it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. You can see that we get price below the kernel line here. The kernel line itself is that brownish rust color, and we get one of those brownish rust colored tags right here. And you can see that we make a decent little push to the downside here, which would have gotten us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, the next signal that we pick up is a long signal. You see the price is trading above that kernel line. The kernel line itself is in that green, kind of weird green, grayish colored. And then we pick up the green tag right here. Unfortunately, we don't move up very much at all before we roll over and make this push to the downside here. Would have stopped us out on that long. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long. And we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy. Was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. I give this scroll back a little bit. Alright. Yeah, let's go ahead and count this out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have 8 trades all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 winning trades. And so that is a really decent number of wins. That is definitely going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. We should get more trades within the 1 year's time all around, but again, we'll see what happens when we put it through the advanced testing. Now, how does it hold up to the claim from the source video that it is the most accurate machine learning indicator? I would say that it held up pretty well to that claim. This is by far the best machine learning indicator that we have tested yet, at an 87% win rate roughly. It's probably one of the better indicators that we've tested all around altogether since we've been testing indicators. And so I think it holds up to the claim very well. This is a really decent indicator so far. Seems like it does really well. Again, we'll see what happens in the advanced testing over a larger number of trades, but for now it's definitely going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.